Jai Shanidev friends, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. I pray to Almighty to offer blessings to all of you and fulfill all your wishes. I am very thankful to all my subscribers and I hope I will be getting your support like this in future as well. Very soon I am going to publish video on how will be the year 2022 for Virgo Ascendants. As for Virgo Ascendants, year 2022 will be a very important year, as there will be transit of Rahu, Saturn and Jupiter, and these transit play very important roles in anyone's life when we talk about any aspect of life, whether it is career, family life, finances or health. So what will be the impact of these transits on you during the year 2022? To know about this, subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so that you will get the latest updates of this channel. In this video, we will discuss the detailed analysis of Virgo Ascendant for the month of September 2021, and people who want to learn Vedic astrology, my videos will be helpful to them as well, as I will try to explain you how I have given predictions. There are different sections in this video. In these different sections, we will discuss the impact of planetary transits during the month of September on your career, on your family life, on your health, on your finances, on your romance life, and finally at the end of this video we will discuss the best remedies which will help you during the month of September. So if number 6 is written in the first house of your birth chart and LA, which stands for Lagna or Ascendant, is also written in the same house as you can see here in this particular birth chart, then this monthly birth chart analysis report September 2021 is for you. For other ascendants or Lagna prediction for the month of September, you can watch my other videos. During the month of September, there are very important planetary transits of Jupiter and Venus, as Jupiter will be in the retrograde movement and will be placed again in conjunction with Saturn. And what will be the impact of these transits on your career, on your finances, on your health, on your family life? We will be discussing all this in this particular video. So let's move forward and first discuss about your career during the month of September. Period from 1st to 6th of September, your birth chart will look like this, as you can see here. During this period, Venus and Mercury conjunction is there in the first house, Mars and Sun conjunction is there in the 12th house, Rahu is in the 9th house, Jupiter is in the 6th house, Saturn is in the 5th house and Ketu is in the 3rd house of birth chart. So let's move forward and discuss what will be the impact of these planets on your career. During this period, Mars and Sun conjunction is there in the 12th house of birth chart, as you can see here. Sun is also the lord of the 12th house and Mars is the lord of the 8th house. And if you are my old subscriber, we have already discussed this in our previous videos, that whenever the lord of the 6th, 8th or 12th house will transit from 6th, 8th or 12th house, then it will give you some unexpected gains, and these gains may be related to your finances, may be related to your career, may be related to some project which got stuck in the past. But on the other hand, you have to face the negative aspect of such planet in other aspect of your life, that is in your personal life and related to your health. Due to this conjunction of Sun and Mars in the 12th house, you will be getting some unexpected gains. So if you are planning to go abroad, if you are planning to settle abroad, if your visa got stuck due to any reason, if you are into import export business, if you are doing some online business, if you are doing some business using social media platform, then in such cases you will be getting some unexpected positive results. If you are in foreign land, then there are chances that you will face some legal issues. There are chances that you will face some theft at home or workplace. So beware of that, as two fiery planets are placed in the 12th house. So keep yourself away from any sort of heated arguments, otherwise this period may put you in some legal issues. Those who are into government job, such people have to be very careful here. This period may create some mental stress to you. What remedies you have to follow, I have mentioned this in the remedies section, will be beneficial for you. What will be the impact of this conjunction on your health? We will discuss this in our health related section later in this video. During this period, Mercury and Venus conjunction is there in the first house and Mercury is the lord of the first house, due to which Bhadra Panch Mahapurush Yoga is formed, which is very auspicious yoga in your first house of birth chart. Your self-confidence will increase. If your project got stuck in the past, then it will restart here. There will be stability in your thought process. If you are facing any sort of stress related to your business, related to your job, then this will reduce that. If you are facing any sort of mental stress related to any aspect of life, that will reduce here. If you have partnership business and you are facing some stress in that, your partnership business was not giving you that profit what you were expecting, you will start getting that results. If you are facing some stress due to your partners, then that stress will be reduced here. During this period, Saturn is in its own sign of Capricorn in the 5th house of your birth chart. Saturn is the most important planet in your birth chart, and transit of Saturn play very important role in your life. During this period, Saturn is in the retrograde movement in the 5th house of birth chart. Saturn aspect will be on the 7th house, house of profit, that is on the 11th house, and second house of birth chart, second house sign is Libra, which is exalted sign of Saturn. If you are into some analysis kind of job or business, if you do analysis in share trading or any sort of huge calculations or deep analysis, then in such professions you will be getting some stable growth and some big opportunities as well. If you are into job and you are planning to start any technical course or some diploma degree related to your profession, then this period will give you very positive results here. This period will give you very positive results for gaining such type of degree diploma which will be helpful for you in the future growth of your career. There are chances that you will start any small business along with your job during this period. Saturn will give you favorable results in that as well. That means it will increase your earning resources. During the current period, Jupiter is in the 6th house, from where Jupiter will aspect the 10th house, 12th house and 2nd house of birth chart, as you can see with the help of these arrows. Placement of Jupiter in the 6th house will give you very good opportunities to those natives who are into voice related job or business. If you are running any consultancy business, if you are into online education work, if you are into import export of education related work, then such natives will be getting very positive results in that. If you are facing mental stress related to your job or business during the past few months, then this period will give you very good opportunities and remove all your mental stress here. Those students who want to go abroad and study abroad, and if you are facing mental stress related to your visa, then this period will help you in that. This period will give you positive results. Period from 7th to 18th of September, your birth chart will look like this, as you can see here. During this period, Mars will transit from the 12th house to the 1st house of birth chart, and Venus will transit from the 1st house to the 2nd house of birth chart. As you can see here, transit of Venus is one of the most important transit of this month, as Venus is going to place in its own sign in the 2nd house of birth chart. Mars is a malefic planet in your birth chart and is placed in the 1st house. From 1st house, Mars will aspect the 4th house, 7th house and 8th house of birth chart, as you can see here with the help of these arrows. Due to this, your reactive approach will increase. It will be little difficult for you to keep control on your anger. You will feel huge energy inside you. If you are into partnership business, then there are chances that you will face some clashes with your partners. Your mental stress related to your partner may increase. Try not to take any sort of big decision related to your partnership business. What will be the impact of Mars in the 1st house on your married life? We will discuss this in our family related section later in this video. Placement of Mars in the 1st house will give such persons a very good opportunity, very good results who are into sports related activities, who are into armed forces, who are into real estate business, who are into some sort of business in which you have to do a lot of travel. In such cases, you will be getting good results. There are chances that you will get transfer in your job, or you will get some opportunity away from your birthplace during this particular period. During this period, Venus is in its own sign in the 2nd house. Due to this, if you are into family business, then during this period you will get some unexpected gains. If you are into some kind of research work, if you are into software development, then in such type of professions you will be getting some big opportunities in life. There are chances of getting some financial gains from your parental property. What will be the impact of this on your finances? We will discuss this in our finance related section later in this video. Period from 19th to 26th of September, your birth chart will look like this, as you can see here. During this period, Sun transit will be in the first house from the 12th house of birth chart, and Jupiter will be in the retrograde movement and will be placed from the 6th house to the 5th house of birth chart, as you can see here. During the current period, Sun and Mars conjunction is there in the first house. Here two fiery planets, Sun and Mars, are both malefic planet in your birth chart and are in the first house, due to which there are chances that you will feel huge energy inside you, people around you feel sudden changes in you, your behavior may also change, you will lose your self-control easily, it will be difficult for you to accept the ideas of others, you will be very rigid during this particular period. If you are into partnership business, then you have to be very careful here, there are chances of huge clashes with your partner, try to be little flexible here and give importance to other suggestions, otherwise this period may create huge mental stress in your partnership business. You have to be very careful while doing any sort of discussion at your workplace during this period, otherwise this period may impact your image at your workplace in a negative manner. Try to avoid taking any sort of decision related to your job or business during this particular period, that will be beneficial for you. What will be the impact of this conjunction on your married life? We will discuss this in our family related section later in this video. Students who are preparing for government job exams, for such natives, this period will not be so favorable period for you. During this period, Jupiter is in the retrograde movement and will be placed in the 5th house in conjunction with Saturn. From 5th house, Jupiter will aspect your 9th house, 11th house and 1st house of birth chart, due to which it will give you a stable mind. It will increase your decision making power. Due to the aspect of Jupiter on the first house, it will reduce the negative impact of Sun Mars conjunction in the first house as well. If you are not getting those fruitful results of your hard work, then during this period you will start getting those results, but little slowly. There are also chances that your inclination towards religious activities will increase here. There are chances that your travels related to your job or business will increase here during this particular period. You may also get involved in some social work during this particular period. There are chances that you will start some small business along with your job. Period from 26th to 30th of September, your birth chart will look like this, as you can see here. During this period, Mercury transit will be from the first house to the second house of birth chart, as you can see here. If you are into research work, if you are into software development work, then you will get some great achievement in that. If you are facing little challenges in your family business, then your family business will grow. You will see stable growth in your family business. What will be the impact of Venus and Mercury conjunction on your health? We will discuss this in our health related section later in this video. So that was all about your career during the month of September. Now let's move forward and discuss about your health during the month of September. Period till 8th of September, such people have to be very careful who are suffering from any disease related to blood or heart. You have to keep a check on your cholesterol and blood sugar level. That will be very important for you. Period after 18th September, such people have to be very careful who are suffering from any disease related to brain. If you have problems like migraine or past history of depression, then during this period it may create more trouble to you. Period from 23rd to 27th of September, your mental stress may increase, you may face uneasiness, you may face problems related to your sleep. So what remedies you have to perform, I have mentioned this in the remedy section, will be helpful for you. So that was all about your health during the month of September. Now let's move forward and discuss about your finances during the month of September. During this period, your finances will improve, your savings will improve. There are chances that your expenses related to your health may also increase here. You have to take care of your health. Period from 12th to 15th of September, your expense will increase exponentially. Try to avoid doing any sort of expense which is not very important for you. That will be better for your finances. So that was all about your finances during the month of September. Now let's move forward and discuss about your romance life during the month of September. If you are single, then during the period 10th to 13th of September, you may fall into relationship, you may fall in love. If you are into relationship, then period after 8th of September is not so favorable for a relationship matter. You may face problems related to your relationship. If you are too emotional, then you have to control your emotions here. If you want to make your relation more stronger, then better to avoid doing arguments on small issues. Otherwise, you may face mental stress in your relationship. There are chances that your misunderstanding will increase during this particular period. Better to keep calm and avoid any sort of situation which may create misunderstanding with your partner. Try to be little flexible, try to give importance to your partner. Try not to react on those small issues which can be avoided. Otherwise, this period may create huge mental stress to you. So that was all about your romance life during the month of September. Now let's move forward and discuss about your family during the month of September. Period after 8th of September, your bonding with your family will increase. If you are facing any stress with your relative, with your family members, then that will remove here. Period after 16th of September, Mars and Sun conjunction is there in the first house, due to which it will impact your married life in a negative manner. Your mental stress will increase. There are chances of clashes at home. You have to control your anger. You have to avoid small issues here. Try to be little flexible. Try to give importance to your partner here. That will be beneficial for your married life. Otherwise, this period may create huge trouble in your married life. So that was all about your family during the month of September. Now let's move forward and discuss about those most important remedies that will be beneficial for you during the month of September. On 2nd September, after 7:30 p.m., take one coconut and after rotating it 11 times around your head in anti-clockwise direction, throw this coconut in a river or a canal. On 18th September, from 6:30 a.m. to 6:55 p.m., donate red lentils, 2 meter red clothes to some needy person or in an NGO. You have to do meditation daily for at least 20 minutes. You have to do physical exercise daily, especially for your back. Feed dogs or fishes daily after sunset. Donate some medicine in any charitable hospital once in a week. So these were the best remedies which will be helpful for you during the month of September. So that was all about the Virgo ascendant for the month of September 2021. May Almighty bless you always, and thanks for watching the video.